breakfast reservations this morning. I'm finally embracing the Hawaiian, I think. Let me see your fit today. We got the kukui nut lei. It's looking good too. Longing for the lazy river. Kason said the Aulani lazy river is now his #1 favorite lazy river. We did try the slide yesterday though, and he did not like that. Now we know.
Alright, buddy, we're over here, Mrs. Camera. Phone over here.
That's a good one.
Let's sign here to the board too.
Oh yeah, we have a surfboard.
Yeah.
Mickey, we left you a big spot right there. No, we give Mickey the big spot. We're gonna let Stitch sign next to Angel.
Big cheese can sign in the big spot.
He's writing a message. See, he needs a big spot. Oh, threw you a kiss. Thank you, Mickey.
Yeah, it's over. There. Kason, scoot over. Oh yeah, from yesterday. Yep. That's right. It was us. And they had the Double Trouble shirt on. Yeah. You remember.
And then I was like, we are all alive. It's all alive. Then we're all alive.
Yeah, we did the lazy river after we saw you. Yep.
I remember
Very
we
lazy.
were surfing and then I fell off.
Oh yeah, and then. Yeah. Yeah, he's one of a kind, this one.
I remember the part of where we were like,
Oh, yep. The Spider-Man
and
pose,
then
right?
you were like, and then you were like, wow. Yeah, you were like, I remember. It was who stole the treasure?
Who stole the treasure?
Both of you, and then Dale, you thought it was like you were like me, and then Chip, he was like you and me.
Can you see yourself on there?
Oh, no.
No.
Oh, damn.
Hi,
Did you switch spots?
yeah.
Oh, no.
Kason had a donut with sugar on it.
Hey.
Hey. Napkin. Minnie's should be coming too.
Look at the size of this French toast. Goodness. I know, right?
Drowning Mickey in the syrup, yeah.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
He wants a very syrupy. Oh, yeah.
Just getting it good and soaked in there.
Surfboard, right?
Put it next to Minnie.
Can you help her open the pen?
And sign it next to your best mouse if you like.
Got it.
Oh,
Thank
sweet.
you. Here.
Take the.
You have to put it on.
Oh, okay, yep.
There you go. Thank you, Minnie.
Thank you so much.
Get a picture?
Minnie, can we have one more picture for Mommy's camera? Thank you.
I haven't seen it yet. I saw it a few minutes ago, but... What do you think? Is it okay without butter?
So if you're interested in coming into Hawaii and coming to Disney Aulani, they have a kids club with Mario stuff. They have Mario Kart and other stuff. They even have Yoshi's Crafted World. I have that game. Hi Chip, hold on. I have
Hold
that
on,
game.
Chip, so you can finish your vlog. Go stand with
So-
Chip and do it.
Alright, so
Tell
Chip,
them about the kids club, Chip.
so
Yeah, they'll
you know how there's like a kids club? They also have Mario games and Marvel games.
Oh, thank you. Hey, slow down. We're fighting over the sprinkles that came with Mimi's birthday muffin.
But let's sing happy birthday to her.
After you eat the bacon, you just put in your mouth. Are you almost done with that bite? What's going on?
3, 2, 1, go! Happy birthday from Monica to you. We wish you happy birthday from Monica to you. Yay!
Yay! I had a mouthful of pog juice.
Right there.
We found some big old fishies.
He's laying on the floor. Oh, there he goes. See the yellow one right there? Look at how big he is. He's big.
Okay, some Hawaii suits you, kid. Hawaii looks good on you. You want to stay here? That's fair.
Now this is the man that is the legend. We have some signatures.
A couple of characters used to do that to me when I was photopet. She was photopet too, actually.
I don't think he's gonna. Oh yeah, okay.
I'm all here now. Look at me.
And then looking at me, ready, 3, 2, 1. One more, 3, 2, and 1.
We just no longer trust him with the pen. Here you go. Oh, you're gonna keep it. What? He's like a penguin, right?
You know how kids argue. I'm sure Max used to be like that too. All the time, yeah.
Thanks, Stu. Okay, now here in the tour.
You doing good? You having a good day?
Good to see you, buddy.
Perfect,
All right, you go
wonderful.
first.
3, 2, 1. One more, 3, 2, and 1. All together.
All right.
I saw you in my dream. We were walking hand in hand on a
Today is Nana's birthday. We're gonna send her a birthday message in a little bit. We already sent her a postcard. Should be on its pilgrimage to Alabama now. We're starting our day, finally, on the beach.
on a white
Oh, it's colder than I expected it to be.
of a vein.
Oh no, it's cold. Oh no, it's cold.
The
This
sound
shark from John.
Oh my gosh, it's so cold.
This shark.
soothes my restless soul.
Shark from,
Hopefully it does get better.
this shark from Shaw's is even hungrier
Even hungrier?
for this piece of shark. Eight,
How they kill them in Jaws 2.
7, 6,
Electrical wire.
5,
Long summer days,
4,
lying
Jaws 3.
there in the sun
1.
Oh, he had a grenade in his mouth.
on a white
In his
sandy beach
10,
of a
9,
vein.
And then Jaws revenge.
8,
Boat.
7, 6,
Sound
5,
Soothes my restless soul. Sound of the ocean
The wave went over you.
rocks me all night long.
Hey, easy, easy.
You do that. Oh my god.
It was a big one. Oh, push me away.
The seashells softer.
The sea shells?
Do not let go.
Okay.
I know what you're thinking, that do not drop me.
Wait, are you singing
You
from
told me
Lion
not
King?
to let go. Now he is, yeah. Now he's singing. What?
Who is?
Who is?
Ah! I told you that's the truth.
That's a noise.
I was taking a video. Sorry, babe. Let me watch this back. Oh yeah. He was looking at it a second ago.
He'll probably take notice when he gets a little closer. There seems to be a lot more people on it now than when it left. Unless I'm just not seeing it.
Well, we know it's got to go over here. That's over there.
Okay, no, this is you guys. What looks like the tourist.
Quit telling me.
shirt on. And we just finished an entire day of swimming. Kason started in the beach, went to the pool, lazy river, the whole deal. And all of us are burnt. Except Mimi, I think. We're going to dinner now. Restaurant tonight is a place called Monkey Pod. Oh, did you beat it? Kason's got a Mario Run game that he's been working on. Kason, once that sunburn fades, you're gonna look nice and tan. Brennan's gonna be jealous. We're not at the point where we can talk about it just yet. We'll get there.
Yes!
Yeah, oh, yes. Good job, bud. Nailed it. Kason and I are both in our bird church today. Got ducks, he's got flamingos. This is where we're going over here. Not Starbucks, but the two-story place. This place is called Monkey Pod, after all the monkey pod trees out here. Yep. Monkey Pod Kitchen.
There's a rabbit hole happening. Yeah. It's a scary place.
Very hot.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. They're their house-made pickles.
You want a pickle? Look at that bad boy. You want one, buddy? Oh, that. I'll buy it.
Oh, I missed the...
Oh, you have fresh water right here.
That's really good. Monkey Pod Kitchen, that's a good restaurant. And it's just across the street from Aulani. Short little we walked over. And there's a Starbucks right here. Kason is very sunburned. We're gonna try and keep him out of the pool tomorrow until the sun goes down. And so mommy's bribing him with bringing him over here to get Starbucks in the morning. Oh, the sunset's pretty. This is a monkey pod tree, by the way. It's the namesake of the restaurant we just went to. Cool trees, they're all over the island. I think they said on one of the tours we did where the monkey pod tree came from. Portugal, maybe, I can't remember. And Kason left.
What?
I almost had all of us. There's good, we're all. Look at us, we're all, and no, now we're not all. And now we are all, and now we're not. And we are, and we're not. And we're happy, sad, happy, sad, happy, sad. Kason! Katie's burned her tootsies and the grass feels so good.
It's so
Jason, wait for us, please.
Yeah, like this is better than that freaking. What do we have in the front yard? The
horrible, whatever the Florida thing crap
I
is.
don't
know anymore.
dumbass
brain
grass is what it is, but this is
magic. This is magical grass.
I'm looking.
I mean, this is a tropical place, right? Shouldn't we be able to grow this kind of grass here?
Yes, we absolutely
What
should.
kind of grass is this? Can you
What?
ask your cousin, please?
My cousin Kim, I could ask
Yeah.
Nana probably.
Okay. One of the two. Come on.
Nana, when you watch this video, tell us what kind of grass this is. I bet it's a ryegrass of some sort, honestly.
What? So soft. Okay.
All right, how much do you love the grass, Kason? He had to take off his shoes to try it as well. Oh, hey, we're back at Aulani. I think the path just goes around, so you can come look at the water feature. I asked ChatGPT if it could identify what the grass was. told it it was taken at Ko'olina, Hawaii, outside Aulani. Hey, Peanut! It spit out Bermuda grass as one of the options. That was the only one I recognized anyway. Where you at, Peanut? Hang on.